Alrighty, so we're at the final step of our development process. This is step 4 of updating the HTML template to populate the drop-down list for months and years. Alrighty, so let's swing over here and let's open up the HTML template, check out component.html. And let's scroll down to the credit card section. And then let's move down to the area of expiration month. So this is kind of the area of code that we need to be in right now. And in particular, we're going to focus in on lines 206, 208, form control name, expiration month. Right now we have that placeholder here for to do. We're going to remove this and add some Angular code to support this feature to actually populate the data. So I make use of the option, do the ng4. So I let month of credit card months. So we're basically going to loop over that array from our component. And then I simply display the month using the double curly braces. And so this will loop over that array and it'll populate that drop-down list with all of the different months. Okay, so let's scroll down and let's do a similar thing here for expiration year. And so again, we're going to focus in on this little select component here for form control name, expiration year, and update that to do section. And again, very similar coding here. Let year of credit card years. That's the array that we'll loop over from our component. And we simply display the year. All right, so that's the coding there for populating the drop-down list for expiration months and expiration years. Good. So now let's go ahead and test this application. I'll open up a new terminal window. And actually, before I do that, let me swing over to IntelliJ, make sure that my Spring Boot backend is up and running. So I'll go ahead and start my Spring Boot e-commerce application. Okay, excellent. That code is up and running. The backend's running. Now we can go through and run our front end. Just open up a new terminal window, move into our directory, and start up our Angular application. Okay, great. So our app is up and running. Let's go ahead and access it in the web browser. And then let's just go ahead and add some products to our shopping cart. And go check on our cart. And now let's move down to this checkout button. Okay, great. So now here's our form. Let's move down to the credit card section, zoom in a bit, and success. So notice here we have the expiration months and years that are populated dynamically. And we start at the current month. So when I'm recording this video, it's June. So that's why we start at June and the current year of 2020. But you could easily go through and check or select other items there accordingly. And we have some other things I want to do to kind of fine tune this a bit, but this is a good start. We have some other things that we'll cover in some of the upcoming videos. But at this point, I'd like to say, good job, my friend.